Here we have a sad math question on a quadratic function. Okay, so here we have a quadratic function and we have to find the one among the options which is equal to the given quadratic functions. When you look at the options carefully, in the first three options we have the quadratic function in vertex form or standard form. So the last option is in intercept form. Okay, so I think the last option is not correct because when I multiply the constants -7 and +1, it will be -7. The constant term of the quadratic function in option D is -7, but in the given quadratic function, the constant term is +7. So, okay, anyway, so the last option is incorrect. We may have to verify only the first three options. For that, we have tried the given quadratic function in vertex form. Okay, let me take the given quadratic function x square -6x +7. Okay, to write the given quadratic function in standard form, I'm have to use completing the square method. For that, I'm have to use the algebraic identities. A square -2ab positive b square equals to a negative b the whole square, or there is another identity that is a square positive 2ab positive b square equals to a positive b the whole square. Okay, here the x term is negative, so I may have to use the first identity over here. So for that, I have to write so a trinomial in this form to be over here in our function. So for a square, we have x square. So, but we have to write this x term in the form of -2ab. Okay, let me do that. So to write the x term in the form of -2ab, x square -2 times. So instead of a, we have x. 2ab means at the place of a, we must have x. And what number should I write over here so that this product equals to 6x? It's very simple, that is 3. Okay, now I got the form a square -2ab over here. So comparing this and this, what do I have for b? 3. So to get the square of a binomial, I need positive b square over here. So instead of b, we have 3. Since I need positive b square, I'm adding 3 square. So to balance this, I subtract 3 square, because when I add 3 square simply to this stuff, the original stuff will be changed. It should not. So to balance the addition of 3 square, I'm subtracting 3 square. At last, we have positive 7. Even when I simplify this expression, it must be equal to the original stuff. Okay, let's make sure we have x square. So this is simplified to 6x and negative sign is over here. And so positive 3 square, negative 3 square is 0 pair. So at last we have positive 7. So the stuff I've written over here is equal to the original stuff. So I'm doing all this work to get a trinomial in the form a square -2ab positive b square, so that I can write the trinomial as a square of a binomial in the form a negative b the whole square. Then I'll be getting the given quadratic function in vertex form. Okay, let me continue. F of x equals to, okay, now it is exactly in the form of a square -2ab positive b square. So for a square -2ab positive b square, we can write a negative b the whole square. For a, we have x, and for b, we have 3 the whole square. So for this trinomial, I have written the square of the binomial over here. Negative, for 3 square, we have 9, and positive 7. So f of x equals to x -3 the whole square. When I simplify this, -9 positive 7, it will be -2. Okay, now I got the given quadratic function in standard form, that is f of x equal to x -3 the whole square -2. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.